everyone, good morning, and today I'm going to share a recipe of SAGO'S papadum. Okay, ये है sago जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं साबूदाना. So I'm going to make SAGO'S papa today, and first of all, what I have to do, I have to uh, take out one bowl of sago, and then I will have to wash it thoroughly, and then I will soak it. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to use this bowl and I'm going to take out one bowl. This much is enough for me. As you can see, this bowl because it may be some dust particles in this, and even you can see the color of the water. It's milky. So that's why it's crucial to rinse. Okay. Again, once again, I am going to rinse it. So these are washed sago, and I am going to use this water to soak it. And friends, we have to soak this sago into this water around 2 and 2.5 hours. Okay, and then we will proceed. Then I will start the next procedure to make SAGO'S papadum. Okay, so keep watching this video till the very end. So friends, now it's time to start making SAGO'S papad. So for this, first of all, we need to turn on the gas and we have to put a wok on the gas stove, as you can see. And I have already added the soaked SAGO'S, and along with that, as per the quantity, as I told you, that we have to take one bowl of sago and we have to turn six times water using the same bowl. And as you can see, now I'm adding the water, and you should keep this thing in your mind, especially the measurement, otherwise you might face problems. So now I'm going to add some salt, a bit salt, as per your taste, and a color. I have a red color, so I'm using the red color, and then chilies powder, red chilies powder. It's homemade red chilies powder. And the next one is a bit, a pinch of baking soda. And these are cumin seeds, so I'm going to add cumin seeds. So now I have added all the things which are required to make SAGO'S papadum, and as you can see, now the water is being boiled and the batter is being ready, and now it has started boiling, and in between we have to just stir it so that it will not get stick to the bottom of the wok. and within 15 minutes your batter will get ready and for making papads. And now my batter is ready. So one thing that you have to keep in your mind, and you shouldn't forget, that after getting ready the batter, then we have to wait, and when the batter will cool down, then it's ready to prepare the papad. And now, as you can see, I'm on the terrace, and there's a polythene which I'm using to make papadums, and this is a ladle which I'm using to pour these papad. And actually I love eating these papad, and I can't help eating especially the sabudanas papad, because even in my childhood my aunt used to make SAGO'S papad and sooji's papad and everything, and I used to eat a lot. But just because of nowadays I'm kind of health conscious person, so now I don't prefer to eat. But as per my husband's desire, so I'm making it. And yeah, sometimes cheating is okay, because festival comes once in a year, especially this Holi. And my aunt didn't used to add the color, but I had the color, so I added. And it's totally up to you. If you want to use, then you can use, otherwise there's no need to use the colors. And when these papads or papadums will get dry, then we will enjoy after frying in refined oil. But here in villages, just because of we cultivate mustard seeds, so mustard, so that's why we prepare to fry it using sarson ka tel, mustard oil. And I hope ki you like that video, and you will definitely try making sago's papad. I know that most of my viewers, they don't prefer to make papads or papadums at home, but I think you should try, because when we see others that everyone is busy making papad, and I was not, so I was. And these are the papads, chips and sooji's papad and potatoes, boiled potatoes papad. These are already got dry, and still I will. And as you can see, these are the SAGO'S papad which I made today, and by within 2 days it will also get dry. Friends, I hope you must have liked this recipe, and you will definitely try along with learning English language. Try, because it's a festive season, so there's nothing wrong in doing something different and unique things. So just go and get some sago or sabudana from the market and try making these papads or papadums and enjoy on the day of Holi. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.